Alright, Kim folks, we made it. The Yankee Tavern, man. Hopefully you can hear the audio. Hopefully the audio is good. But we're here again with the brother-in-law and the sister-in-law.
Alonzo, your order is ready, Alonzo.
And Mello. So, what does it feel like to be to ride a motorcycle for your first time?
That first time in a long time?
Long time. Yeah, how'd it feel? Been good? It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
It's always good.
It's always good. And Letty, what'd you think?
It was good.
It was nice weather.
Yeah.
A little cloudy. Well, it was cloudy.
I thought it was.
I thought it was gonna rain too. We got a little sprinkle dingle on us, but it was cloudy, so it felt really good. Sun's starting to come out now though.
Yeah.
But Yankee Tavern, man, just hanging out.
Anderson, your order is ready. Anderson, your order is ready.
Eating some food, and then from here we're gonna go to the ranch, Harley Davidson. Go see if we can get Mello a new bike. Maybe not.
Something's wrong with him because he's drinking a chaparrita beer.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
A little shorty.
A little shouty shout. But yeah, man. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, yeah, and Christmas. Cause we ain't been on since Thanksgiving. I don't think we've done anything Thanksgiving, ride wise.
Oh, well, y'all not riding but fishing.
Oh yeah, we did go camping. That's right. So,
That's one of the things we haven't done either.
oh yeah, they ain't been camping either in a long time. So,
But
We already
man.
forgot about how it feels going camping, riding.
Yeah. But that's what happens when you're super busy with work, super busy with other stuff, super busy with kiddos, super busy with dogs, super busy with
Getting old.
getting old. So, but yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned because from here, like I said, we'll go to the ranch and then we'll hang out over there and then we'll go check out some other stuff. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Sleep. We got our food and Mello got some chicken tenders. What'd you get, Leslie? BLT, burger. But you got what, quarter pound burger? That needs to be bigger. Yeah, they need to be bigger. And then I got the Philly cheesesteak. We're about to get into it. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Made it, Kim folk, the ranch, Harley Davidson, and RVs, just in case you didn't know. They sell RVs here too. Let's go inside and see what they got going on. Come on in, come on in. Yeah, those are bad. Pretty dope. Hello. All right. How you doing? Righto.
Welcome in. If we can help you, let us know.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
We've got cold drinks back in the customer lounge and the restaurant.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Need anything, you yell at.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Let's see what kind of stuff they got going on here.
Where y'all in from today?
Just Houston. Yes, sir. Yeah. So this is damn near the same color as Gabriel's bike. If not the same color, huh? Maybe they brought it back, dude. Same damn color, ain't it? Does yours have flake in it or no? That one doesn't either. All kinds of stuff in here, though. That's the one Diego sat on, what, a couple years ago? A year ago or something? I got a picture of him on that one. They still got it. Still got it for sale.
It's not good.
No, it's not. Alright, we're gonna look around. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Kinfolk, let me ask you a question. What the hell made us go to Yankees this morning, right? Earlier this morning, and then decided to go to the ranch. Did that, went to the ranch Harley Davidson, and now we're 2 hours away from where?
Fredericksburg.
Fucking Fredericksburg.
Fucking anxiety and shit.
It was Letty's idea.
No, it was not. It was Myra. I was just playing.
She said she was just playing, and they were like, well, let's go. And they asked me, I was like, fuck it, I'm down. Letty said, I'm down, let's go. Letty's always down though. And Gabriel, he didn't say shit. He was just like, but. So we're headed to Fredericksburg, man. We're gonna stay the night there, just hang out tonight, man. Just a little staycation, just a little quick ride up to there, hang out there tonight, and then head back first thing in the morning, man. So yeah, I mean, you only live once, right? So we're gonna do it. We're riding out there. We're 2 hours away. We'll be there about 6 o'clock. So we'll see y'all when we get out there. See ya. Hey, let me tell you something. This is what happens whenever you just decide to, on a whim, let's go to the hill country. YOLO. And so now we're at Walmart because we ain't got no clothes, no deodorant, no toothpaste, nothing, man. So we're over here trying to, they got way on Gabriel. Over here trying to get into Walmart and get a couple things. We're only like 8 minutes away from the hotel. We ended up renting a hotel room, so yeah, that's what happens, man. Like I said, you only live once, so let's do it. But yep, we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, kinfolk, we were at Buc-ee's in Bastrop, and yeah, headed back this morning on our little adventure, little quick rip, and had to stop here get something to eat.
There's no road trip if you do not stop at Buc-ee's.
That's right. And how cold is it, bro? Is it pretty cold? It's not too bad, huh?
I got like 6 layers. That's not,
Not cold at all. And let me tell you what happened, man. So we were on our way here. We're on some back roads, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, this big ass hawk bird came down, swooped down, and fucking smacked the front of my bike. All this shit here, scratched it all up. I don't think that's gonna come out. Gabriel said all he saw was the bird flying up and over, huh?
oh yeah.
Shit just hit the bike, man, and took off. He said that joker was gone. But yeah, I'm gonna have to see if I can get all those scratches out. But yeah, we left about 9:46 is time check now. We left about, what was it, 7:15?
Yeah.
Right about 7:15. So we've only got a couple hours left. Under an hour, yeah?
2 hours.
2 hours left. So we're almost home.
Thank you, Jesus.
And Letty, what do you say when Mida says, let's go somewhere?
Don't listen to her.
She's like, don't listen to her no more. Oh, but she did get a cool sweater. Yeah. So, all right, we're headed home, man. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this little adventure of just on the whim, fucking taking off and riding, man. So, until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See ya.